Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and welcome to part 2 of the CB125 rejuvenation, shall we call it. In this video we're going to be sorting the frame out and it is ready to be worked on. But anyway, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So we're going to start off at a place where the environment is that harsh, paint falls off in fear. Right, so we're here at Project Powdercoating. They've let me come and strip the frame myself, so I'm going to get all myself kitted up, get the right PPE on, because this is thick in here with all the chemicals. But yeah, we're going to get the frame stripped down and then we can take it back and get to work. But even this job here takes some time, takes a little bit of know-how, and yeah, let me show you what we've got to do. So, got the frame. It's going to be going in this massive vat of acid. I've got to let it sit in there and it'll get rid of all the powder coat and all the old layers of everything that's on it. Should take about 15-20 minutes total to do this, a couple of dips. But yeah, we'll get everything off and we can then let it sit over here, which is like the little drip station, which is where it all falls off and drips into this vat here. But yeah, let's get it over and done with because I don't want to be in here for much longer. I wasn't joking about how dangerous this place is. The acid will literally burn your skin. So after gearing up and submerging the frame for a little while, you can just see how the old powder coat just falls off. This will take a few more dunks to completely remove, but have a look what we're left with. So now that's all done, it's time to take the steps needed to turn this into the best bike I'll have ever done. A new tank to start the transformation. Although it doesn't directly fit, we'll start by making it. This old bracket, it's in the way. Let's chop it off so we can fit the tank directly to the frame below. Next, I'd like to make an electric tray that's smoothed into the frame. I'll need to remove everything in the way so we can start the fabrication. Right, I've been spending some time going over the frame, over all the parts that I really didn't do much with last time. There were some bits here where you could see through the powder coat and just bits like that really. So I've just been spending some time just like finessing some parts that I didn't do very well last time and some welding in some new parts like this electric tray right here and this piece here because this was all open last time. Now I've got to a point with the frame. I'm going to go over some of these bits and just use a bit of JB Weld just to kind of like smooth it all out, finish it off, and that should mean it's then ready for powder coating. We'll be sending this off with some other parts as well because we're going to be going from the matte black to a nice gloss black. The matte looked good, but it just didn't really age very well. But I'm thinking a nice fresh gloss coat would make it a million times better. And then once we've got all that together, we can start talking about color schemes. So that's still yet to come, but stay tuned for that. With a dash of JB Weld and a few minor adjustments to the frame, we are here. We've even made a purposeful compartment for the anti-gravity 4-cell battery, something we didn't have on the bike before. So after a couple of days of fettling, we have finally sorted this out. We've managed to make this compartment ready for the battery. Cleaned it all up. It ended up being a little bit more work than I expected, but these things tend to, and if you want to get it right, it has to be this way. Anyway, I'm happy with how it looks, and it's time to get it to the powder coaters. So I will be taking the frame, the swing arm, and everything we need to just get the base of the bike done. We've still got things like triple clamp to sort out, handlebars, and little things like that, but we're going to come to that a bit later on. But we're at the point now where this I find the most exciting, where once that's powder coated, we can start building things back up. We can get the wheels put back on to see how they look, the suspension, the tank will be done soon. So, you know, it's going to start making progress once again. And I cannot wait, honestly. So yeah, next stop, powder coaters. But before we go any further in this video, I'd like to say thank you to today's sponsor, Flexi Spot. Flexi Spot are an awesome company that make premium standing desks, and what you can see me assembling here is the E7 motorised desk that's not only heavy duty, but refined and elegant too. And as you can see, it's super easy to assemble, and it can hold up to 125 kilograms with no sweat. Meaning one thing, if you want to sit down, stand up, or spread out. And as you can see, this table can hold a substantial amount of weight, considering it's just for a computer table. But look, it works, and it's wonderful. Bye. So make sure you click the link down below and you could be saving up to 60% off your next desk. Now let's check out this frame. So I'm super happy with how this is looking, and it looks so much better in the gloss rather than the matte black we had before. And the electrics tray should just hold all the NWT unit just nice. And obviously we mentioned the battery being in here as well. Let's take the table down a little bit, shall we? So we can reach it. And the battery placement, that just works really nicely. So yeah, I am so happy with how this is looking. Thanks again to Project Powdercoating for sorting this out and letting me use their space to start the process. Next episode, we'll be getting hopefully the wheels on, the suspension, the forks will be underway as well because we've actually been doing some work on the forks, and it's just going to start looking like a bike again. So thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.